guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this no foundation faux freckles makeup look. If you want to see the products that I use and how I achieved this look, then let's jump right into the video. Alright, so as you can see, my eyebrows are already finished. I just went with a fluffy natural look since this is going to be a soft, sun-kissed, glowy look. And since we're going to be focusing on the skin and using cream products, I'm going to start out with the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. And I'm just going to focus it mainly right here and right here. Next, I'll be going in with the Wet n Wild Prime Focus Primer Serum. I use it to hydrate the face. I'm just going to take my beauty blender and just kind of press that into the skin. Next, I'm going to be taking the Juvia's Place Eye Magic Concealer, and this is in the shade 18. I'm going to put some on the eyelids, a little bit here, just a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Coconut Primer Water. I'm going to wet the face, and we're just going to go in and blend out what we put down, which isn't a lot because this is a really natural, glowy look. Next, I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. Putty Blush, and this is in the shade Turks and Caicos. And I'm just going to be taking my finger, using it to warm up the blush, and just tapping it right here on the cheekbones. Now I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder just to set the eyelids so they're not creasing like crazy. Just like that. And now to set the cream blush, I'm going to be going in with the Jaclyn Cosmetics Bronzer Blush Duo. And I'm just going to be picking up the shade Stay Rosy. And I'm just going to tap it just to set the cream blush into place. Now with a bigger brush, I'm going to be taking the bronzer shade and just kind of bronzing a little bit on the outer perimeters of the face. I'm going to be taking the same bronzer shade and just doing a little bit in the crease of my eyes. Now I'm going to be picking up the Jaclyn Cosmetics Loose Highlighter, and this is in the shade Balm. So I'm just going to highlight right here. Even when you do the no makeup looks, you can still always add highlighter. I'll go back in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Coconut Primer. Take my sponge and just kind of dab everything into the skin. And of course, a look wouldn't be complete without lashes, so I'm going to be taking the Essence Lash Princess Mascara, and I'm just going to prep the lashes for falsies. Because even when like I'm at the beach or we're on vacation, or if I'm doing a no makeup look, I still have to put lashes on. And I'm going to be taking the Kiss Lashes in the style Pompadour. They're just very natural, very wispy, very everyday for a light makeup look. Alright guys, so after the glue gets tacky, I'm going to just pop these lashes on and get them as close to the lash line as possible. Just like that. And I did cut the inner corner of the lash off to make it kind of just like a smaller lash, kind of like this. But I did cut a pretty significant chunk off of it. Add a liquid lip and some gloss, and for that I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Cosmetics Liquid Lip in the shade Crabby. And now for gloss, I'm going to add the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade 007. Now the final step, we're going to add faux freckles. And I'm just going to take the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim pen and I'm just going to make faux freckles. I already have freckles, but why not add more? One more final spray and one more time with the sponge. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Hit the little notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, bye guys.